Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you uh, flowchart for CS and non-CS data engineering of what is exactly needs for the CSS student, CS student, and non-CS students. So this tutorial will really helpful for you and your friend circle also. You can if you like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel and also share with your friends. First of all, this is the short reminder for you also. So thank you guys. So let's go to the main point. So understand data science basis. So basic, that means the little star, like a small beginning of the point. Data science, the basics. So then decided the topics. What topics you will learn? The formal education for or self studies. The formal educations, self studies, enroll in courses. Any courses you can just join and start and learning the different for data science. The self studies resources also. So guys, if you think this is the very important for self-study resources, you have to find out and you have to I'll show you how you'll collect the self-studies resources. Then learning programming, then learn statistics, then learn machine learning, then gain practical experience decided, then specialized in area, which area you are expert. Okay, so choose specialization, then apply data scientist roles, apply continue learning, then learn, then adapt to the new technology, adapt, achieve the data scientist role. So now I'll show you how you will define your personal project, and how you can maintain your data scientist role. So let's go to the. So hello guys, welcome back to the another my new video. So today video is especially for those who come from non-CS background but want to become a data scientist in the future. Many people think that I'm not from data scientist, so how I will become a data scientist? This is the very tricky question. So no, it's no problem to the, it's no major issue also. You are come from CS or non-CS. CS, that means computer science. Non-CS, that means like arts, commerce, and BBA. That is your course curriculum. So I think this is not a big deal, and this is not a big problem with your programming coding. If you want to become a data scientist, engineer, data scientist, or data engineering, so it's a data analyst. So it's no problem with your study. Okay, so let's go to. I created the few formal thinking, like you can't do data scientist if you're not from CSS. Reality, 100% possible. That's the true. Actually, I'm just showing to you, this is logically, and illogically it's not possible to only who is person come from CSS, CS student, or CSE, the computer science and engineering, who he or she will be data scientist. But you are not come from that is non-CS background. You come from the non-CS background, then you don't want to become a data scientist. It's not a major issue. Okay, for this data scientist actually requires logical thinking, basic math, and problem solving skills, then a willingness to learn. Okay, I personally know many non-CS students, business, biology, accounting, and economics, also even pharmacy, who are now successful in data scientists, and they are doing the no CS, major CS job, the IT firm. So what you need to start the basically using basic computer knowledge, using a laptop folder system, basic installation, that's enough. And basic math understanding, addition, subtraction, and then understanding charts, percentage, probability basics. So you don't need to advance calculus. So, okay, so that's the main point. You have to practice every day, and must be consistency. You keep your consistency regularly, like uh, per day you have to practice 1 to 2 hours or 3 hours. Learning per day is enough for you, and also who is learner or newbie, I think this is the main point. So data scientists start with Python. Data science start with Python. This is the basically variable loops and function pandas numpy uh, math plot lib. That's the calls of library. So you can also learn the Python framework also for the understanding the coding structure. Okay, so why Python? Actually, this Python is beginner friendly, huge supportive community, and AI ML libraries are simple to use. MLs, that means library, that means pandas, numpy, matplotlib. So with 1 hour of daily practice, you can become a comfortable within 20 or 30 days. The step to learn maths and statistics. Sorry, I'm for that for the pronunciation. This one, don't worry. This is the simple math. Focus on mean and median, variance, standard deviation, probability, correlation, basic linear algebra. This enough to understand the machine learning. Okay, so then learn data analyst after Python and analyzing data cleaning, then handling missing values, encoding categorical data, future selection, visualization technique, total pandas and seaborn and matplotlib. Okay, then learn machine learning, the linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, KNN, SBM, and naive bias. Also learn evaluation metrics, that's the accuracy, precision, recall, F factor. This is the actually very important for the if you're a student, if you are a student from Richards, okay, then you have to learn must be this one F1 factor, Richards, recall, then confusion matrix. The deep learning, this the you can't ignore deep learning, the ANN, CNN, RNN. That's the very important. I'm learning the CNN and also ANN for my research. So build a real project, student performance prediction, house price prediction, medical image classification, sentiment analysis, face detection. This is the normal project using the Python, a chatbot using NLP. So do this actually. Build your portfolio, apply for jobs, upload your project on GitHub, and write a clean README files. Then make a LinkedIn post, build a skill based resume, practice in Kaggle competition, apply for remote internship. So then you will be successful the data scientist. So now I'll show you in my curriculum how I'm learning the data scientist. It's very tough, and it's very also very deeply tough, because this is my course curriculum. And why not the okay, I have to refresh me. Okay, now it's showing to me. It's take a few time. Okay, now okay. So data analyst, then module 1 Python for programming, module 2 data frame library, then module 3 NumPy, then module 4 SQL, module 5 statistics, then module 6 data visualization, module 7 data analysis project, module 9, 10 that that's the math and statistics challenge also. No, I just write down this one Excel steps 2. I already learned Excel sheet, and I already make a video for Udemy platform, Excel sheet based on the Excel sheet. And today or tomorrow I will publish it in my YouTube channel, Excel how we learned Excel file. Okay, SQL stage, then Python stage 4, data visualization stage 5, BI tools stage 6, and success stage 7. So that's the basically requirement how you will become a data scientist or data analyst. Okay, so now I will open my first file, or that's called folder also, and I'm using the notion.so. There's very uh, free software for use for student. So here is the lots of topics I included inside the uh, step by step, and I'm learning this way. Okay, so guys, you have to first of all note down in your notebook or laptop or notion. So you will open every day, every single of them, then you will learn. I'm from Bengali language, then I'm study also Bengali language. That's very clear for me, data basics or data data necessary skills and selected by pandas, everything, data manipulation, data tools, and roadmap also. Here I included the roadmap. Okay, so that's the basics. I already told you about. I will show you how to become a full guided and full tutorial how you'll become a data analyst. So in the last video I make this one for this tutorial. Okay, and end of the video, achieve data scientist role. And I told you I will show you this one. Okay, goal, like you have to note down this way, this format, then you have to practice day by day, then you will learn something more. Okay, I'll show you step by step. First of all, I'll complete this one, then second Python for programming, then data frame library, then NumPy, then SQL, then statistics, then data visualization, data analysis project. Okay, so let's go to the start main things. So I'll open the another folder for my understanding or your understanding. Yesterday I created full roadmap for the Python basics to advanced. Okay, this is actually full roadmap. So huge roadmap I created it. Oh, so I have to clean this one. First of all, complete Python roadmap. So that's the very important. So guys, if you think it's a this scenario is huge hard, so it's nothing. You just think that first of all complete Python roadmap, then step by step follow this one. But I just created, but I didn't create it step by step. So why? Because this is the roadmap, and I have to just follow this one and complete every topics, like every topics this way. Basic project, calculator, to-do list, guess the number game, web scraping, the Django basic, also flags basics, then currency and parallelism, decorators, generator and iterators, SQL and Python integration, then Python for data science, machine learning, optional for advanced learners, automatic tasks with Python, automatic email and notification, automatic file and folder operation, task scheduling with schedule module, scraping with beautiful soap, introduction to web scraping part, that will be, I will explain this one. Then Python for automation, this one. Okay, then data science base, this one. Then uh, every single of step I will cover, and every day I will open this file and also show to you which one I'm talking, and I'm explaining this one, what is the Python basic, and everything getting started with Python. This that will be first tutorial for my YouTube channel also. So after this tutorial I will make video this tutorial. Okay, so if you want you can write down here. Okay, this is the first tutorial. Okay, so this is very small, but if you think it will be covered 01. Okay, then you will make a video what is the Python basic, then control flow, then function in Python, then data structure and algorithm, working with string, the classes object, advanced opp, exception exception handling, then file handling, Python standard library, working with external libraries. Then you can go this one, then you can go this one. Okay, step by step follow this tutorial. I'll make a video step by step. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you soon in the next tutorial.